Hey, Tracy Lewis from Stuff and Things. I have a what not to do to share with everybody. So this is called butter chicken, and you can see it's all over in the cabinet, and it actually was all over here, and there's the jar. And Hub says, well, I see why this all spilled, because the jar wasn't on. So look at that mold. So what that means is, when we bought this at the store, and we brought it home, the lid somehow was evidently not sealed, and since we, had a little, you can see that stuff is kind of cattywampus in here, so stuff fell over at some point, knocking the butter chicken bottle over, which then, the lid being not sealed, had turned into a moldy mess, and then that's what caused. And how I saw it is, I saw this orange stuff on the counter here, looked up and saw orange dripping down the cabinet and knew right away it was butter chicken. So that's so sad. So the lesson of the day is, when you bring stuff in from the store, or even if you bring something out for half a second, make sure before you put it away that the lid is tight.